Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the minimum viable product and the success metrics you'll measure. This prioritizes work and prevents scope creep. Once defined, create the repository, provision hosting, and configure CI/CD so deployments are repeatable and fast. Make sure payment and legal frameworks are in place before user collection, because compliance blocks later growth. These first actions let you iterate quickly, onboard collaborators, and gather reliable data from day one. Now you execute predictable sprints, develop features in small increments, run code reviews, and keep tests green. That reduces regressions and speeds delivery. Once code is stable, run security and performance scans, wire analytics for metric collection, and finalize integrations so the product behaves in real environments. Make sure onboarding flows and documentation are user-ready. They directly affect conversion and support load. Continue iterating until quality and signal from beta users meet your KPIs. You deploy with feature flags and a gradual rollout to limit blast radius, and then you watch metrics and logs closely to detect issues early. Once live, coordinate marketing, support, and feedback channels so user signals inform your backlog. Make sure dashboards show your 1-3 KPIs clearly. If problems appear, follow your rollback plan and isolate the faulty release. Troubleshooting tip: if errors spike, immediately toggle the feature flag to revert behavior while you diagnose. This buys time and protects users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.